Good afternoon everybody, and welcome to our live tour here in Carnarvon Road. Sorry for the slightly delayed start. We had a couple of technical issues with the app, which is now all resolved. In front of me I've got this absolutely stunning Victorian semi-detached property that's recently been fully refurbished by the owner to an extremely high standard. So accommodation wise, we've got 4 bedrooms, over 3 floors. We've got double garage there to the right with off-road parking, kitchen to the back. Got lounge, dining room as well, downstairs shower room and upstairs bathroom, and south facing rear garden. We've got the benefit of no onward chain complications, and we've got fantastic access to Royal Berkshire Hospital, Reading University, Reading Town Centre, M4 motorway, and also Thames Valley Business Park. We also have local amenities very close by as well, so it's got everything, this property. It's a lovely refurbishment, one of the best ones I think I've seen. And for those of you that haven't used this app before, this is Gavel, and you'll see that you can ask me questions in the inspection questions box. You can request a viewing by hitting the viewing icon on your screen. If you press that, you will get a priority viewing on this property, and we are starting viewings this week, so get pressing if you would like a priority viewing on this house. So this is Carnarvon Road, very much classed as the university area. Already got viewing requests coming in already, so thanks very much, Cliff. This is Carnarvon Road, as I say, walkable to university and hospital. We can walk to town from here as well. Without any further ado, let's go in and have a look. There's a big building refurbishment going on opposite, if you wonder what the noise is. So, into the hallway. We've got brand new, almost everything. Heating, electrics. So, coming into the hallway, we've got wood flooring, we've got stairs to the first floor. To the right, we've got the lounge dining room, and to the back, we've got the kitchen dining room, which I'll show you in a second. So, here is the lounge and dining room. As you can see, in absolutely beautiful condition. There's a view looking out to the front. It's a nice traditional looking properties. And if I slowly turn around, we've got these beautiful radiators, fireplace, archway through to the dining area. We've got understairs storage cupboard here to the left. There we go. Loads of storage space in here. And then this lovely big extended room to the back. So we've got a storage cupboard in the corner. That door in front is the downstairs shower room. We've got sliding doors to the garden. And we've got this lovely kitchen. We've got skylight windows bringing in so much light. And this house has had full roof repairs done as well. So when the owner bought it, it was in poor condition, and he's done roof repairs, full refurbishment, and as you can see, it looks absolutely lovely. So here we've got the storage cupboard. Shower room. Look at this, lovely and modern. Got 2 windows in here as well, so again, making it nice and light. And one thing I've noticed about this property is it's been refurbished really tastefully. Underfloor heating in here as well. It's got double oven, hob, plumbing for washing machine or dishwasher. Here's your double garage. There's even a skylight window in here bringing in loads of light. Got an electric garage door. There's not many properties in this university area that has this, so I think this is a huge selling point for the house. Updated electrics as well. South facing garden with patioed area here, bringing in loads of sun. Small storage cupboard there. Let's just have a quick wander down to the end of the garden where we've got this stoned area with table and chairs. Very nice and relaxing. And there is your rear view of the property. So you can see the extent of the roof repairs that have been done. No stones unturned at this refurbishment here. Very impressive. Right, back into the house. Just going to pop my shoes off. Just going to give you another quick angle of this lovely room. We've also got windows there to the front, bringing in more light. Let's go and have a look on the first floor and one of my favourite rooms of this refurbishment, which is coming up now, the bathroom. They've done an absolutely lovely job. This used to be a bedroom. We've now got his and hers sinks. We've got this wonderful large walk-in shower. Freestanding bathtub. Wall-mounted radiator. Toilet. And there is your new boiler. View to the rear. So yeah, this is probably, I think, my favourite room in the house. It's such a lovely bathroom. Heated towel rail as well. And then we also have a third toilet with sink and side aspect window. So 3 toilets in the property. It's very much is good for families, especially with children. So this is one of the double bedrooms. You can get double beds in all of these rooms. You can see the flat roof has been done there as well. So nice sized double room here. And then moving to the main bedroom. This is a fantastic size. 2 front aspect windows. No need for lights on. Lovely and light. So that's a really big master bedroom. And then this door here takes us up to the second floor. This is a nice, interesting area. This actually used to be a small shower room. And now the owner has turned this into a little study area. We've even got a radiator there. Window. Let's just step up and you get a better view of that. There we go. So study area on the landing. Really good for today's home working world. In here we've got another double bedroom. So we've got side aspect Velux window, rear aspect window. Plenty of room. There is a single bed in here, but there's plenty of room for a double. And then this bedroom here, again, it's a double room. Side aspect Velux, front aspect window, radiator, and bags of space. So, sorry, I just had a quick connection problem there. So, it's a lovely refurb, as you can see. No onward chain complications. You can move straight in here. And I'm just going to walk you back down to the front door and finish the tour. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. It's a beautiful property. I think, as I said earlier, one of my favourite refurbs. And I look forward to seeing you at the property for viewings during this week. Thanks very much for watching.